Hi everyone, it's Sandhya, my card. And as we're sitting here, please connect in with your higher self. Bring in your higher self into your body and ground into Mother Earth and bring in source energy into your body and into your chakra core. And start balancing and aligning yourself to the zero field in your body and taking that energy out to your energy bodies, balancing the energy bodies to the zero field, and then bringing it out to your auric field, your auric energy container, and your aura itself, and allow them to balance. And taking it out into the physical environment, mental space around your body, 8 feet all around your body, and allowing that. Just now realizing that my sound may be low, so I'm going to bring it up. And bringing the body container and the physical environmental space and everything in between into balance with your zero field. I've already done this myself, to myself this morning. Balance my energy out. And it's just nice to be in your inner energy, your own energy, and in your higher self energy. And nothing is coming out, so maybe I give up too fast. I am happy. And this day, choose all the spaces and places where you're in your happiness, calm and peaceful happiness. So I am playing the 7.83 hertz healing tone of Mother Gaia. And we're just going to spend a few minutes in some music today. And for those of you who are driving a car or operating heavy machinery, please listen to this later. But those of you who are here and ready for meditation, sit back in your seats, be in your energy that's already balanced and coherent to your zero field. And just be in the music and allow the healing tone to connect with you. Allow you to heal your body as you wish. If you have an ache or a pain, go to the spot. Bring this energy in. Bring this vibration of this energy in. And bring yourself back into alignment, back into balance and coherent with your zero field. And we thank Source, God, Universe. We thank Mother Earth. We thank all the beings of light that are around us and that work with us, that love us and nurture us throughout our day. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We are grateful. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Amen. Jai Bhagwan Ki. And so it is. And slowly we start to wiggle our fingers and our toes, and slightly stretching the body from our seat or in the bed. Just stretching slightly to remove move from the position that we were in for a period of time. Feeling the room that we're in, feeling the body that we're in, seeing the sunshine through our closed lids, opening up to the options of our day, seeing them before us, connecting with all our beings of light to see how we can be in our best day and align to the day, and aligning to I am happy in this spacious energy. And when you're ready, open your eyes slowly and carefully. Might want to cover them a little bit and then open. I want to thank you all for being here this Saturday. It's May 30th, and it's a Saturday, so it's time for you. And definitely feel aligned in your energy to what you want to do for yourself. I believe sometime in the first week of June, we will be having a full moon, and there will be a lunar eclipse, as well as a solar eclipse towards the end of the month. It's really interesting, and then we get to have the equinox, the summer equinox coming in. So June is going to be a pretty spectacular month. There are a lot of changes in the houses and in the horoscopes. We're coming into Cancer now, the sign of Cancer. And that signals a lot of different things. So just wanted to bring you into June could possibly look like, and what energies lie ahead that are going to allow us to do a lot of really good work. And just being in the peaceful thought of, I am happy in this day. It's been really nice to be here this morning because I am still on my grieving path. I'm still grieving my father, and I had memories of him this morning. And it's just nice to have some sound, regular sound in the morning. So this is now like incorporated into my day. So I am very, very willing to go through June, continuing to do these sessions because it helps me, and I'm hoping it helps you. And I'm putting it out into the collective, into YouTube, so I'm hoping it helps others when they come across it. And just a reminder to subscribe to the YouTube channel because you will get all of the videos up there since April 17th, I believe. So if you ever wanted to go back, you could actually look at some older ones. I'm just really happy in this. Looking over this month, there's been a lot of good work that I've done, that we've done together. And I think there's been a lot of growth. I know for me there has, so I'm hoping the same for you. And just wanted to say, I hope you have a beautiful day, and all my energy back to me, all your energy back to you. We are in our sacred spaces and places in time and dimensions, and we are disconnected. So I like this little spark of happiness through the day, and I'm asking my angels to send happiness through my day and allow me to walk into happiness every second, every minute, every hour of my day this day. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Amen. And so it is. And have a fantastic day. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.